Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Miss Callie Cat is at my feet at the moment, trying to make sure she's not going to get attacked by the Bonnie Faye. Miss Bonnie has gotten in so much trouble lately, and I figured something out. When I get mad and start yelling, my Southern really comes out. I didn't realize this till I went back and watched the Marco Polo video that I had recorded. I was recording when she started attacking Callie. Poor Callie ended up with a bloody ear, but she is fine. But I did not realize how Southern I yell. I was so Southern. But moving on from that, we're going to open this Mint Mongoose today. I love Mint Mongoose. It is a great mama-run small business. The lady is really sweet. I think she is on child number 4. She used to be a journalist, and now she makes jewelry. And it's all run out of her house. It's really neat. I love to support small businesses. I really love to support small businesses. And she does really great incentives and things. You get points for all of your boxes, anything you buy. And then you can equal up those points to get free t-shirts, free items, free bags. I mean, it's really neat. And then she also does this thing for the longer you're subscribed to her, the more incentives you get. I get a free magnetic clasp with every bag. There's a few other things. Oh, Callie's playing with a toy down here. She's so cute. Did y'all watch the video of her playing with the cat lady box toy? I just put the camera, I stood it up on the phone or on the floor and just played, and she was just rolling around. It was super cute. I don't know if all of it uploaded because there was like 3 minutes of it. I may have to upload the rest of it another time, but yeah, hey baby girl, watch the candle. Yes, there's fire there. Beware. You want to say hi? You want to say hi to the camera? You say hi to all your fans. They love you. They do. She's like, Mama, just let me lay in your lap. Which this chair is not the best for that. Poor baby. She's like, Mom, you don't have enough lap when you sit in this chair. Or she slides off. But anyway, Mint Mongoose. She sends you 2 pieces of jewelry each month. Now you can get this box or bag, You can get this prescription. I've got medicine on the mind, apparently. You can get this subscription for as low as $19.99 a month if you go by term, pay by term. If you do it month to month, it's going to be $29.99 a month. And then, of course, if you commit to more months, you get lower discounts. She also has like the t-shirt subscription, which I do get. I pay $9.99 for that. If you want a one-time t-shirt, it's $11.99. She has ring subscriptions, earring subscriptions. I think those are $4.99 for one time, and then $3.99 if you get the subscription. It's all kinds of different stuff. And then she has little extras that she'll email you or text you and say, hey, you want to get this with your box? Things like that. So let's just look in here. I do have an affiliate link down below if you want to try Mint Mongoose. I really appreciate you using my links, and so does Miss Pushy here. You see her rubbing her butt? She's like pushing her butt. Oh. My children. Oh my good gracious. My children are a mess. I woke up every morning to them fighting on top of me. And let me tell you, I am not a morning person, and when they're arguing on top of me at 4 a.m., it's not a good thing. They think it's hilarious, apparently. I woke up the other day and I was laying on my back. Callie was right here, so her fur and all of her massiveness was just on top of my mouth, and my poor little nose was getting tickled by her hair, but she was not moving because Bonnie was laying at my knees. So she was getting as close up to my head as she could. The children's a mess. They are such a mess. Everything is themed. Like I said, she was a journalist, so she writes the cutest little notes that tell you where she got the inspiration for her set. I Do suggest that you size up if you get the subscription for the t-shirt. I'm normally an extra large. I get a 3X in these. So let's see what it is. It's a tree with some birdies on it. Oh, see the birdies? I love that they're V-necks. Nice shirts. Kelly's like, hey, peekaboo. She's like, what are you doing, Mom? They're good t-shirts. I love them. I wear them all the time. I mean, this is when I don't get dressed up, y'all. I don't do this every day. When I don't do the makeup and the hair and all the fun stuff and I'm just in a ponytail, I'm normally in one of her t-shirts or a Cat Lady Box t-shirt. One of those. All right. An entire year. Magically Mongoose. Happy 12-month anniversary. Scratch all 9 squares. You get 3 of something, you get a free sock subscription. And if I get 3 puppies, I get a free dog tags. And if I get 3 pizzas, I get a free Zay? Free Zay? I don't know. Let's scratch and see what we got. I see a monkey, a flower. Oh, it's an avocado. It's half avocado. I see a puppy. I see another avocado. I see another puppy. I see a pizza. I see a flame. And I see another avocado. So I got to clean up a mess now. I need a vacuum anyway. Always with these cats. So I get a free sock subscription since I got this. Did you win? If you did, please text a number and a picture of your scratch or your card to this number. Directions on how to redeem your prize will be sent straight to your phone. The last year has been a humbling, delightful ride packaged with meaning and honesty. Sharing it with you is my favorite part. You see, you being here truly matters, and I'm not just saying that. Knowing you are out there looking forward to what I'm creating makes it all so wonderful. Makes it all so worth it. Worth the late nights, worth juggling and mom and biz responsibilities, the daily to-dos. I truly love my job, and I very much believe that you are a big reason why I love my job. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Love, Helena, the smiling face behind the mongoose. See, she's just sweet. She is just a sweet, good woman. Oh, look at the picture. I love the pictures that they... Which way's up? I'm not sure. I think this way. She's in such pretty pictures. And then on the back is the theme where she got the idea from and pictures of the jewelry. I like that y'all can see Callie. Let's see. Everything you can imagine is real. Our inspiration behind this set. This month's set is inspired by the value of imagination and practicing it, despite the number of candles on your birthday cake. We don't put the actual number of candles on our cakes. The quote at the top of this card is from Pablo Picasso. Some wise words, I'd say. To my 3 kiddos, imagination isn't something they have to practice. It's a way of life. Our new home has a yard with a ton of trees, which means they came across a lot of branches. Yeah. No matter how many branches I've played with in a given day, the next one is just as amazing of a treasure because of them. It is something entirely different than the last 15 were. The very large branches may be carnival rides that they hop on and teeter-totter back and forth. The large branches may be a rake they put to use collecting leaves, which create a doorway to the lava in the center of the earth, which they willingly jump into. The medium to small branches may be a broom to fly around on, or a rod of powerful lightning exploding everything they touch. Sometimes life can trick us into thinking there is a time to let go of imagination and live in the real world. But the reality is that the world is a lot more beautiful when you welcome your imagination into your day. The branch of this set is not designed to be a branch. Instead, it is designed to be whatever you want it to be. When you wear the set, I hope it reminds you to cling to what your mind's eye can dream up and use that to add to a bit of fun and color to your real world. Love, Helena, the mama behind the mongoose. And she has Colossians 3:2 down below. I've gotten to where I'll write it out, the verse. I'll go back and look it up and write it out for y'all. I may actually read it along with writing it this time. You know, I'll like talk into a microphone over the writing, just so everybody can hear it too. I think it's important. That's just me. Set your mind on things above, not on earthly things. Colossians 3:2. All right, let's look. I love that they use the wax stamp of the mongoose on there. I'm sorry I can't get any closer. Somebody's holding me down. All right, let's look in here. I'm excited that I won some free socks. I love the socks, even though today's socks are not working for me. All right, so you can say, I want gold, I want silver, whatever. I tell her just to send me whatever. And it looks like I'm going to get gold this time. Thank you, Mint Mongoose. Yay, it's here. And she always sends a Werther's Original. I love she does that. It's my favorite candy. Here is my free magnetic clasp. I love these. It makes wearing jewelry so much easier. Necklaces, things like that. You can just clasp them. And you're not sitting there messing with them, getting them stuck in your hair like I do. So I really love those. Here is the actual set, the two pieces. And there is the branch, the wand of power, whatever you want to call it. Very cute. They do all have an extender, and then at the bottom here, they have the little Mint Mongoose on there. I like she's going longer with some of them. Kelly, it's a necklace. It's not a toy, baby girl. You want to wear it? There you go. You got it. Let me see if I can get around my mop. See, already stuck in there. All right. Of course, I got big gaudy jewelry on today. I didn't realize when I put it on. All right, so I could make it shorter if I wanted. But with the right top, I think it would look super duper cute. Little branch. All right, next. I'll try to zoom in on this stuff for y'all. I know it's pretty far away. She has the little backings in here, the little plastic backings separate, so don't lose the little plastic backings. Let's see the branches. All right, can y'all see them? They are very cute. Let's put them in. Very cute. I love she's doing more dangle now. Let's see how short I can get this one, because I think it would look cuter with this top shorter. It's still a little too long for this particular top, but it does show you. Very cute. What do y'all think of this month's Mint Mongoose set? I think it's cute. I love the shirt. I love everything. And apparently I've been with her for a year, so yay! Thank you so very much for spending part of your day with me. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I'd really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? It's free to subscribe to my channel, and I really do appreciate it. Tell your friends to subscribe as well. Press that notification bell so you know when I'm posting new videos. It's kind of sporadic now. I mean, yeah, I know I'm doing Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays, but I am throwing some different ones in there certain days. So make sure you have that notification bell set to give you all the notifications. And make sure you set your phone to allow the notifications through YouTube so that you actually get them. If you want to donate to the creator, which is me and Miss Callie Cat here, there are two ways to do that. There's a super thanks button down below. It's like giving a tip to YouTube. It does like highlight your comments and stuff down below when you do give that tip. You pick the amount, by the way. Or you can buy me a coffee. You can go to buymeacoffee.com and go to Unbox by G. Then you can buy me a coffee when coffee is $1. It's like giving a tip. I really appreciate it if you do either of them. Thank you so very much. All proceeds are going to go to equipment for the channel, revamping the studio. Y'all, thank you so very much. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, a very Merry Christmas. Y'all, God bless.